G'day everyone, it's Chriso. This is another bathroom I'm doing. Look how the glazes come off those tiles. That's shitty, eh? But we're replacing this whole bathroom. I'm about to start stripping it out. That bath goes and the vanity is going to go in its place. And here I make a walk-in shower with just a glass screen. That vanity goes, so it's going to be a nice big bathroom with a nice big walk-in shower. I'm going to start stripping it out. I've got the plumber coming in tomorrow morning. You can take out that toilet because that gets done as well. It's just going to be the floor and a skirting tile in there, but a new toilet will be in its place, so he's able to take that out as well. So I better get started. I've got a fair bit to do. We'll see you soon. This is Chriso. Subscribe to my channel and your home and hose. G'day everyone, it's Chriso. Well, here we have another bathroom. I've just popped the vanity in. A screen is going there. See where it says screen? It's coming out 1200. You've got another envelope shower. Bloody beautiful. They're going to have a nice big rain thingadoodle shower there. I've just trimmed the doors down. All good. Put up the handrail, so I'm just sweeping up now. The toilet. And there, the toilet. I needed to patch that wall, but then the owners would have had to paint it, so it's just as easy just to slap up 4 tiles. It's been nice that I've been able to centralise it once again. You know, the owner said to me, "Oh, it's good, those tiles fitted perfectly." And I said, "Yeah, they do when you cut them." Anyway, yeah, nice niche. It's all good. They're going to have a bit of a shelving system here. A couple of guys live together. Say no more. Yeah, so it's you know, they're wrapped. They've got a new bathroom. It's all good. Plumber comes in tomorrow and the screen guy comes in on Saturday. Today's Wednesday. I'll have a couple of days off. I've got to take a load of rubbish to the tip. I'll do that on Friday. Load up my van, take the rubbish to the tip, and we're laughing. I'll be back here on Tuesday to do the ensuite, which is through that door there. Okay people, we'll see you soon. I've showed you that, holy shit. I slopped it. Anyway, a little bit of paint, you know, paint the ceiling. Home and hose, mate. We'll see you. This is Chriso. See ya.